Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Angry Birds offline. First, make sure the game is completely installed on your device. This means downloading all game data and any available updates while you have an active internet connection. It's also a good idea to check that your device has enough free storage, perhaps at least 200 megabytes, to accommodate the full game. This initial setup is crucial for a smooth offline experience later on. Once your game is ready, the next step is to disconnect your device from the internet. You can do this by turning off your Wi-Fi connection in your device settings. Additionally, make sure to disable your mobile data to prevent any background internet usage. For a truly complete disconnection, activating airplane mode is the most effective method, ensuring no network activity whatsoever. This prepares your device perfectly for offline gaming. Now that your device is completely offline, you can confidently launch the Angry Birds application. Simply tap on the game icon from your home screen or app drawer. The game should load up just as it normally would, without prompting you for an internet connection. You can now enjoy all the levels, characters, and features that you downloaded previously, providing hours of fun without needing any network access. Here are a few important tips for your offline Angry Birds adventures. Remember, any new levels, game updates, or additional content will require an internet connection to download. Also, in-app purchases like power-ups or extra lives will not be accessible while you are offline. Finally, always ensure your device battery is well charged, perhaps at least 75%, for uninterrupted gaming sessions away from a power source.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.